Looking to make money from the comfort of your home? Try flipping items for profit. This step-by-step guide will show you how to get started. First, source items to flip. Visit garage sales, thrift stores, and online marketplaces like Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. Look for undervalued items with potential. Next, research the real value of these items using eBay sold listings or price comparison websites. Knowing the market price helps you buy low and sell high. Clean and, if necessary, restore the items to increase their value. Now, it's time to sell. Use online platforms like eBay, Mercari, or Poshmark to reach a broader audience. Create detailed listings with high-quality photos and accurate descriptions. Set competitive prices and offer excellent customer service to build a good reputation. Monitor the market trends to know what's in demand and adjust your strategy accordingly. Remember, consistency is key. Keep sourcing, listing, and selling regularly. Don't waste any more time. Do yourself a favor and hit the subscription button for more tips and ways to make money from home. Start flipping items today and watch your profits soar.